A raid involving U.S. forces in Somalia that last week killed nearly a dozen civilians has caused tensions between the Somali government and a powerful clan. Relatives of the victims from the Habar Gadir clan, an influential group that spreads across the country, gathered in the capital Mogadishu. They condemned the attack that took place in an area formerly occupied by Al-Shabaab militants. Protesters said only innocent farmers were massacred in the raid and called for accountability.
U.S. and Somali forces massacred the 10 farmers. The government denied it and said the farmers, who included 13-year-old boys, were militants that fought them. We do not want to bury them because our people were killed and they were innocent. The government should publicly admit, apologize, and compensate the relatives of those killed.
The U.S. forces killed my firstborn son in 1992. Last Friday, they killed 10 innocent farmers. Let us speak openly. Have you ever seen civilians carrying militants, dead bodies, and weeping over them? Absolutely not.
The clan is already angry at the U.S. for an airstrike that killed at least 10